Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another Theme Park Obsession video. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. Today I'm at Magic Mountain to check out all the projects in the park. So how about you and I dive right in. We've made it to the front gate. A lot of people here on a Saturday, ready to enjoy the thrills. Look at Michael's already one step ahead, going towards the membership only line. Yeah, if you are a Six Flags member, be sure to check in there. You don't have to wait in this massive crowd. Yeah, the key to Six Flags on the weekend is arriving very early if you can. We're arriving at park opening exactly. It's been a minute since I've actually done this. I usually come during Monday through Thursday, so I don't really need to get here at opening because the park's just not as busy. But on days like this, it is very crucial to arrive at the opening. And also joining me today on this Six Flags adventure, it's Michael.
Hello.
My goodness, it's been a while since we've seen you at Magic Mountain. Yeah, we're mostly going to Knott's Berry Farm and
Universal a little bit.
Oh yeah, Universal a lot. Yeah, we go to Universal Studios a lot. But look, you haven't seen that they've torn down the restrooms.
I haven't.
Isn't that exciting? Yeah, really not much going on here. They've leveled the entire restroom, and they've just been kind of like working in this area for the past few days with some of the diggers. But other than that, really not much has been going on. So let's continue our journey up the Magic Mountain. Remember, if you don't want to go up the hill towards Viper X, and you want to take a little shortcut, over here by Revolution is a nice little pathway that'll lead you up halfway up the hill here towards Tatsu. Alrighty, we've made it up towards Tatsu. Very quiet up here. There's not too many people up here at all. I think we're the only ones. There's a couple people behind us that are walking up. Tatsu's on its lift hill right now. Should be opening up a little bit later on in this morning. As you can see, they haven't gotten to this section of the coaster yet. I'm sure after the holidays are over, people come back from their little vacations, they will continue the painting project. But they are letting people in line, so the ride must be opening up here in just a few minutes. Oh, there she goes. Heard the buzzer, turn the lift on, and they send her through the course. Whee! Such a good ride. We've made it to the section that is predominantly done. Oh, here comes Tatsu right now. It's gonna be cruising right behind me. I don't think anybody's on it though. I think they're still testing it. Yeah, no. Isn't it so graceful? There was one person on it, there was a maintenance guy on it. Lucky him, he got a Zen ride. And since we're here checking out the paint job, I really like it. It's growing on me. At first it was very striking, and especially for those that are only seeing it in pictures and videos, yeah, it's pretty different. But when you're here in person, you see how vivid it is. It's actually quite nice.
I like how vibrant it is.
Yeah, what do you think, since this is your first time seeing it in person?
How vibrant it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's very colorful. Mm-hmm. The green is a lime green. It's a lot of people were calling it like the Nickelodeon roller coaster because it does kind of remind you of like slime. But that's not a bad thing. So if folks from Six Flags are seeing this, don't worry, it's not a bad thing. It's actually quite nice. And Tatsu needed it. Tatsu was very faded. That was, I mean, you could just see from the old track over there.
Yeah.
So it's great. I can't wait for them to come back after the holidays and finish her up. As we're making our way down the Magic Mountain, Superman is down today. It was down yesterday too when I was here. Full Throttle is open, but maybe they'll get Superman open a little bit later, or it'll just be down for the rest of the day. But Michael and I were also talking about this particular building. And I kind of wonder if they're ever gonna get to this part of the park. I wonder if after they finish Wonder Woman Flight of Courage, they will come over here and maybe fix this area, because it's been sitting like this for quite some time. Yeah, you wouldn't want to be rollerblading down this hill, that's for sure, right? You'd be flying down this thing.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah, I don't know if you'd be able to make it. You'd probably hit that fence. Oh, there goes Full Throttle. I just love how Full Throttle is always here to support us. Oh, Michael found the lookout spot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, isn't it crazy to see Flash completely gone?
Yeah, I didn't know they were tearing that out.
Oh yeah, I didn't know either. And then just a couple days ago, we found out that, yep, she's gone. Now, I'm wondering, though, if they're going to take out Wonder Woman, because we're getting Wonder Woman the coaster, the Wonder Woman Flight of Courage, and that wouldn't make any sense to have two Wonder Woman attractions, right? Yeah, so my thought is that they might take out Wonder Woman, but since we're losing two flat rides, the question is, will we receive a surprise flat ride in replace of the two that are, well, the one that's still remaining? Yeah, I don't know what they're gonna do. We could receive another ride out of the blue without them. I mean, they don't need to tell us what they're doing. It could be a complete surprise. They could have just told us about the roller coaster, and then when they reopen this new land over here, well, this retheming of the land, then yeah, I mean, we might receive a new flat ride, which would be pretty cool because it just keeps the ride count up here at Magic Mountain. So yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on the project every week. I might take a break for the holiday here coming up soon, but I might be back one more time before the end of the year. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think we're gonna receive another ride here in the DC area? Do you think they'll put in a surprise flat ride? At the Wonder Woman project in the Metropolis area, not much has changed there either. They're just doing a couple little things here and there that are barely noticeable to the untrained eye. But most of the work is happening over at the former Flash ride site. So that's where a lot of the construction's happening. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see anything at Metropolis for a few more months. And panning towards the right, Lex Luthor's Drop of Doom is still closed. It's been closed for a hot minute. Hopefully they get it open soon. I missed that ride. It's one of my favorites. I love the drop tower here. It's really good. Then they're building actually one that's a little bit taller, and it's going to be in Florida at Icon Park. That free fall is going to be a few feet taller than this one, and you can bet that I'll be going on it. All right, well, that's going to do it for today's video from Six Flags Magic Mountain. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel and you love these videos and more, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so stay up to date on every time I post new videos. I have an Instagram account. I'll leave that link down below in the description. Be sure to follow that because I post updates there that I don't normally post here on YouTube. I'll be back next week to check up on Wonder Woman. Maybe one more time before the end of the year, and then we'll take a break and we'll come back the start of 2022, which is going to be a very exciting year. But other than that, though, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.